Hello everyone, so this is a part of our CVS checklist, the auscultation part. So today I'll show you the most efficient way to do all of these steps to save as much time as possible. So you start with the mitral valve, and then you do the mitral stenosis, and then you go on to tricuspid, pulmonary, and then lastly you go to aortic. And with the aortic you do all the carotid things, so the palpating the carotid with the aortic valve, and then the carotid bruit. And then finally you go on to aortic regurgitation, which requires the patient to sit up. And then the next step is the back. So you ask the patient to only sit up once, and then you immediately go on to the back. Okay, now we'll demonstrate on Zuz, our patient. Okay, so mitral, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly. Aortic regurgitation, and then you go on to the back.